everybody, welcome to our celebration assembly for the week beginning the 22nd of February. And as always, we are starting with our birthdays. So happy birthday Thorin in Rabbits class, Poppy and Dylan in Hedgehogs, Charlie in Blackbirds, Jay in Foxes and Kayla in Owls. We all hope you have a wonderful day and get lots and lots of lovely presents. So we're going to move on now to our Learner of the Week. And Mrs. Ashton, Mrs. Barber and Mrs. Rymel have voted for Myla. So Myla is the Learner of the Week for Rabbits class for trying so hard with her reading and writing and completing the challenges that have been set at home. Well done, Myla. So here you've got pictures of Myla doing her work at home. You've got this amazing gingerbread man story map. You've got pictures of Myla working really hard trying to spell the tricky words out there with little raisins. And also she's made that lovely Jupo hospital, which is part of their topic on people that have helped us. So well done, Myla. Really good work this week. And the Learner of the Week for Hedgehogs class is Evie. And Miss Anstey and Miss Thornhill, they say, congratulations to Evie for being this week's Woodcote Learner for Hedgehogs. Throughout the whole of lockdown, you have tried your best and attempted every challenge given to you. Also, you've given yourself more work to do to practice key skills like spelling and letter formation. We've been particularly impressed with your maths work, and to help you develop your understanding, you've worked problems out using resources like number lines, tens frames, and drawn appropriate pictures and recorded your answers. You should be very proud of yourself. Well done, Evie. Keep it up. And then look at these lovely pictures of Evie, hard working there at home on her maths work. So well done, Evie. Very, very good. And Learner of the Week for Squirrels class from Mrs. Britt, Mrs. Ford and all of her team is Corey. So Corey has consistently worked hard at home during the lockdown, always completes all of his assignments on Google Classroom to a high standard, and worked very hard on his reading, both on Bug Club and reading his books from home. So well done, Corey. Now, look at Corey's writing and his English work and his Dear Diary story and that lovely picture of that penguin there. Absolutely fantastic work. Well done, Corey. So Blackbird's Learner of the Week is Alana. Alana has been working every day and yet still manages to fit in her love of dancing. She was brave enough to show this to us on Zoom and has uploaded photos on Google Classroom to show her skills. Well done, Alana. Very impressive. And so here we have Alana doing some of her dancing. Fantastic, Alana. Extremely good. Learner of the Week for Foxes is Callum. Mrs. O'Toole and Mrs. Popham would like to give the Learner of the Week to Callum, who has worked so hard during this lockdown. Callum has consistently produced high quality work and engaged in every aspect of home learning, including Google Classroom, Bug Club, Times Table Rockstars and our weekly Zoom calls. We are so proud of Callum's dedication to his learning and the contribution he makes to class activities. Well done, Callum. We are really proud of you. And I think this is just a snapshot of some of the things that Callum has been doing during the lockdown. So you can see he's working hard on his writing. He's done his Safer Internet poster. He's done his Egyptian mask. He's been making flatbread and he's been doing his maths work. So Callum, fantastic. Keep up the good work. Badger's Learner of the Week is Tyler. And Tyler is Learner of the Week for persevering while finding things overwhelming and continuously working extremely hard throughout the home learning and producing brilliant pieces of work even when he's finding things tough. This week, Tyler has shown resilience and courage when completing the work set, and all of the Year 5 teachers are really proud of you. And that's from Miss McBride, Mrs. Pearce, Mrs. Wilson and Mrs. Limerick. And there you've got his artwork where they're trying to show undulation and texture and depth by using different marks on their drawing. And look, doing lots and lots of baking. Those cakes look particularly delicious, and I'm just hoping that when we're all back at school, you'll be bringing some in for us, Tyler. That would be great. And then finally, the Learner of the Week for Owl's class is Josh. And Josh is Learner of the Week for his amazing effort in art this week. He's not only been in school working, but he's also produced some art style work based around our topic of extreme work, Earth at Home. He has created the illusion of a 3D image by using line and tone really effectively. Well done, Josh. There you go. And that really does look like that hand is on top of that paper. That is fantastic work, Josh. Really careful and thoughtful work. So that's all from our celebration assembly. We've only got a couple more weeks now until we're all back at school. So just keep going for this last week, next week, and then we can't wait to see you all back in school on March the 8th, where we can celebrate our celebration assembly all together on Zoom in school. Okay, everybody, so keep safe and well, and we will see you all very, very soon.